Opening Task Manager on Windows 11 is different from Windows 10, and many people struggle to find it. I'm going to show you 4 different methods, including the fastest keyboard shortcut that takes less than a second. The quickest way to access Task Manager is using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together on your keyboard. As soon as you press these 3 keys, Task Manager opens instantly. This is by far the fastest method, especially if you're already working on your keyboard. Let me close this and show you the second method. The second method uses the Run dialog box. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, type the following command, then press Enter or click OK. Task Manager launches immediately. This is a great alternative if you prefer typing commands, and it works on all versions of Windows. The third way is through your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Find any empty space on the taskbar, make sure you're not clicking directly on an application icon. Now, right-click on that empty space. A context menu will appear, and you'll see Task Manager listed here. Click on it, and Task Manager opens right up. This method is perfect when you're already using your mouse and want quick access. The fourth method uses the Windows search function. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then, simply type Task Manager into the search box. Windows will display Task Manager in the search results. Click on it, and it will open immediately. This method is especially helpful if you forget the keyboard shortcuts or prefer using the Start menu. Now you know 4 different ways to open Task Manager in Windows 11.